In this video, I'll guide you through the process of adding administrators to Facebook page using the Facebook app on both iPhone and Android device. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to give someone the ability to be an administrator on your Facebook page. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. Let's dive in. To begin, open the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android phone and select the menu button located in the bottom right corner of the app. Once the menu opens, you'll see your profile at the top. Tap the check mark icon to the right of your profile to access all your profile and pages on Facebook. Choose the page to which you want to add an admin, and it will switch to the page's profile. Once the page loads, select the menu button again in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and under All Shortcuts, select Professional Dashboard. In the Professional Dashboard, scroll down to the bottom where it says Tools and then select Page Access. Next, select Add New next to People with Facebook Access. A prompt will appear informing you that anything you do on the page will also be visible to the new admin. Select Next to proceed. Search for the person you want to add as an admin, and once you find them, select their profile. Scroll down to ensure that you allow this person to have full control by toggling on Full Control, granting them administrator permissions. Finally, select Give Access. You'll be prompted to enter your Facebook password for verification. After entering your password, select Confirm to add the person as an admin to your Facebook page. And that's it. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribe to my channel, Network Guru. Thank you for watching.